Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to lock apps on your Samsung Galaxy A17, and the process is quite simple. First things first, you want to head over to the settings of your Samsung Galaxy A17. So just swipe down through this notification center, then click on the settings icon at the top right corner over here. Now from the settings, you just want to scroll down until you get to the security and privacy settings over here. Select that. Now from here, you just want to continuously scroll down, then click on more security settings, and now you want to select on this secure folder. Now basically with the secure folder, this feature allows you to create a separate folder where you can actually hide specific apps on your device. And if you're setting it up for the first time, you want to just go ahead and click on the continue button over here. Scroll down through all of this info, then click on the continue button at the bottom as well. And now it is just going to take a couple of minutes to set up the secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy A17. Now after about a minute, the secure folder will be created, and now you want to set it up. So first of all, you want to proceed to select whether you want to lock your apps with a PIN, pattern, or password. In my case, I'll just go with a PIN. You can as well set up a fingerprint if you want. So you just want to select the PIN option over here, then proceed to enter your PIN. In this case, it has to be a 6-digit PIN, so I'll enter my PIN. Once you're done, click on the continue button over here. So I'll go ahead and enter my PIN again, then click on the OK button to confirm your PIN. Now at the bottom, you're going to get this prompt letting you know that if you ever forget your PIN, password, or pattern, you would need your Samsung account to help you reset your secure folder so that you can now access your applications. But this is not compulsory. If you do not have a Samsung account, you can just click on don't allow. If you have a Samsung account, you can as well just click on the allow, or sign into your Samsung account and click on the allow button over here. In my case, I already have my account, so I'll just click on the allow option over here. And then finally, you want to click on the next button at the bottom over here, and as you can see, we have our secure folder now. In order for you to now lock apps into the secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy A17, you just want to click on the plus icon at the top over here, and then you're going to see all of the apps on your Samsung Galaxy A17. Let's take, for instance, I want to lock the Facebook app. I'll just go ahead and select it, and then scroll down and then select any other application I want to lock. But for now, I just want to lock only the Facebook app, and then just click on the add button at the bottom over here. Now the Facebook app has been added, so we have now locked the Facebook app on our Samsung Galaxy A17. If you want to be able to access the Facebook app, you would have to go into the secure folder from over here, and once you select it, currently it is not locked, but once you turn off your phone and then just turn it on again and then try to open up the secure folder, now you're going to see now that our PIN is required for us to be able to access applications inside of the secure folder. And once I enter my PIN, I should be able to access the secure folder. Finally, it is important to note that the secure folder only creates and lock a duplicate of the actual application on your Samsung Galaxy A17. So if you come over here, you're also going to see that I have the Facebook app over here, but this particular one is different from the Facebook app I have on my secure folder. So basically, you can go ahead and just delete the Facebook app from over here if you do not want it, or you can as well just leave it. This particular Facebook is different from the one over here that is locked on your secure folder. Another thing you can actually do is to hide the secure folder from the list of apps on your Samsung Galaxy A17, and the way you do that is to open up the secure folder, then you want to click on the three dots icon at the top over here. Just tap on it, then click on hide secure folder. Proceed to click on the hide secure folder, and automatically the secure folder will disappear from the app screen on your Samsung Galaxy A17. If you want to be able to enable it again, you would have to go over to the settings of your Samsung Galaxy A17. So to the secure folder settings, go ahead and tap on secure folder, and automatically you'll be asked whether you want to show the secure folder. Just click on show secure folder, and then you want to also enter your PIN, password, or pattern. And once you do that, you should now be able to find the secure folder from the list of apps on your Samsung Galaxy A17. So you want to give it about a minute now. So here's the secure folder now. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.